recently picked up an xTool Metalfab. It's an awesome machine, but I really need to find a space for the wire feeder and the base unit, as well as a place to put the laptop. I didn't want to build one from scratch because I just wanted to get on with using the Metalfab, so I went to Facebook Marketplace to see what I could find. I came across a few different carts, but I eventually settled on this. It looks like it was an old medical cart from maybe an ultrasound machine or something like that, but it looked like it would be a good base to build something off of. I took all the plastics off it and discovered it had a good cast iron base that would make a solid mounting point for a platform. I took some measurements and designed a pretty straightforward base. I cut it out of 1/2-inch plywood on a CO2 laser cutter, crisscrossed the grains, and glued it together. I needed to find a way to keep the Metalfab base unit and wire feeder from not rolling off the platform, so I designed some keepers for the wheels and 3D printed them out of ASA. I gave it a quick coat of paint and then mounted it to the cast iron metal base. I remounted the pole in the center and took it off the platform so I could do a trial fit. The xTool wire feeder and Metalfab unit fit well onto the platform. The wheel keepers did a good job of locking the wheels in place. I wanted to make sure there'd be enough room to view the screen and use it, so I mounted the top platform on backwards. This worked out great, and the screen is perfectly usable. I'm really happy with the way it turned out so far, and it was a pretty low effort project. I didn't have to spend too much time thinking about it or working on it. The front wheels don't swivel, they only lock, so one change I think I might make is to move them to the back and put the swivelers on the front. Just make it easier to move it in and out of position. There's also plenty of room on the top for the welding head cradle. I think I'm going to design and 3D print a clip to hold the wire feeder cable in place when it's not attached to the welding head. I've got the gas hose on a quick connect, so I think I'll also make a clip to hold that as well. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some cool xTool Metalfab videos coming soon.